Every single day, I'm gonna make something great. That's my way. Every single day, I'm gonna make something great. That's my way.
What's going on YouTube? So this is MERCERMILLIONS coming back at you with another video. Today we're going to do something a little different. We're going to do some live trading. Yes, I said live trading. We're going to make some real money. I'm going to see if I can make a couple $100 in a couple minutes. The interesting thing about this is most people on average with their jobs make maybe around $20–$30 an hour, and that's working for a whole hour. Probably at a place that you don't like to be, where you don't want to be, where you got to deal with, bosses that you don't like, your environment that you don't like. But I'm actually sitting at home and I'm about to make a couple $100, within 5 to 10 minutes. It's going to take me about 5 to 10 minutes to actually find my setup, but my actual trade is going to be for 3 minutes. So I'm gonna get into it. So this might look a little foreign to you guys. I'm not going to go through a full tutorial, but this is a trading platform that I pay for. I pay for this monthly, and it basically gives me trade setups. I went through a certain academy that showed me how to use this thing, and in the simplest form, it tells us when to buy and sell. So this is basically telling us to sell right now. I'm gonna go through a couple of different pairs for you guys. This was going to a buy, and I'm putting in these trades from anywhere between 1 minute to 5 minutes. So it's called binary trading. It's very fast, and this is specifically designed for the people who don't really have a lot of time. If you got a full-time job, if you got children, if you have other entrepreneurs endeavors, this is for you. Once again, this is something I pay for, and if you want to get access to this, you can feel free to email me, or you can get access to the free trial. The free trial link will be below. It's for 3 days, and it will give you access to our trading platform and trading with our experts that show you how to use these products. Another thing that I use that helps out a lot, if you're new to trading, this might look foreign to you, but if you're an experienced trader, you know exactly what this is. It's TradingView. This is another tool that we use to kind of read the market. This basically lets us know when the market is going up and down. It gives us these different indicators. I'll go ahead and turn this off. Turn these indicators off so you can see what the naked screen is like. So this is basically a naked chart, and it gives us different time frames up here that we can look at. And it also gives us all of the currency pairs, and this goes for stocks as well. If you trade stocks, this is definitely a very useful tool. But TradingView is something that I'm going to use today along with Hourglass. Hourglass is something that I pay for. Once again, the link will be below. TradingView is actually absolutely free, so you can go and enroll and create a TradingView account absolutely free and get your practice on and play around with the indicators and get to learn the market just like that for free. That link will be below. And the last thing I'm going to be using is Quotex. Quotex is a new broker that I'm using. I've been looking at some YouTube reviews, and I've been getting some good reviews, so I'll go in and uploaded a little money on here to do some live trading, and the link for you to get a free demo will be below as well. So all the tools that I'm using, you'll have access to. I'm not just making this to tease you guys. I'm actually going to give you all the resources and tools to use the exact same things that I am using as well. So this won't be a full tutorial, so some of these things may confuse you, like the different indicators and things, but that's okay. I just want to go ahead and do a live trade for $100 real quick and just see if the tools hit, and show you guys in real life, just the real experience, and see how things work. So just give me a couple minutes. I want to go ahead and look through these pairs and see a good highly probable setup. Might mark up my charts a little bit, and let's see if we can get us a win. And for this portion of the market, I'm just doing some technical analysis, some support resistance, and just seeing what my most highest probable setup is. If you don't know what technical analysis is, it's okay. But for the experienced traders, you guys know about support and resistance, and I'm just making sure this is a high probability trade. So just doing my due diligence to make sure we get this win. And this is looking like a good setup. At this point, I just have to wait. I want to wait until 9:50. We get a signal every 5 minutes. So I just want to wait to the top of the 5-minute mark just to see what my candles do, see what type of responses I get, and so still see if this is going to be a good setup for me. All right, so I got the buy signal. It's exactly what I was looking for. Now I'm just making sure I get my best entry. So I'm gonna wait for a little bit of a pullback, and I think, damn, I hate when I miss my moves. That might have been the move. I'm still want to wait, see if I can get like a major pullback, and then I want to get in on the buy. But it makes it a little bit challenging, like kind of calling these out and speaking about the actual trade, because this is like it moves very fast. So this stuff moves within 1 to 3 minutes, and you can literally be like 5 to 10 seconds off and miss your move. So hopefully I didn't miss the move. I felt like it was going to go up. I got the buy sign. It went up. So this is not the best position to get in. So what I want to do is wait and see if I can get a major pullback. If I can get a good pullback, I'll get back into the trade. So let's see. Hopefully that's the pullback I'm looking for. I would like a little bit more of a pullback, but let's see what we can do. All right, so we got a couple more minutes left to get into this trade. I want to execute my trade before the 5-minute mark is up. So like I said, I'm still waiting on a little bit more of a pullback. If I don't get what I need, I just won't get in. I don't get into trades unless I'm completely comfortable. This trade is definitely going our way because it's a buy. Oh, there we go. That's what I was looking for. All right, so I felt like that's a good position to get in on. So we're in for a live trade for $100. Everything is set up for us to get the win. It's going to be a little bit difficult for us to kind of go in depth on what I see and why this makes sense, because I went through a lot of training and mentorships to actually learn these tools. So, I mean, you can definitely learn these tools as well. It's just going to take you a couple of sessions. But, you know, just for the sake of the trade, you know, this is the main thing we're looking at. I see some other things that's showing me that this is going to go in my direction. But the number one thing is the call signal. So let's go ahead and look at our trade and see how it's doing. So we got 2 minutes for this to clear. 2 minutes for this to clear. And let's get it. I want to make a quick Instagram video because this looks like it's going to go our way. What's good, y'all? So look, we just over here doing some live trading. You see, live account, $100, and we got 1 minute and 33 seconds to clear. So if price is above this green line, then I get $100. $100 in 3 minutes. So, you know, just so you guys can see, this is not a demo account, and I'm making a YouTube right now as well. So I'm just cutting away from my YouTube, but we got 1 minute to see if we clear. So We're just gonna wait it out and see what happens. And for those people who are curious about trading, I get my signals from this called Hourglass. This is a tool that I use from IM Academy. It gave us the buy signal, and now we're just waiting. We got 38 seconds to clear. We're also doing a free trial for this as well. I'll go ahead and drop the free trial link below too, so you guys can get access to that. And yeah, you know, just basically showing the process, showing you guys the results, and showing you guys what this is all about in real life, real time. I got 20 seconds for this to hold. Once again, it just has to stay above the green line, and I get the $100. So let's see, we got 10 seconds left, looking good, pushing in our direction. 3, 2, 1. There you go, guys. And this is trading high frequency forex, just showing you guys the real results and the real deal. All right, I had to make a little segment for my Instagram. I'm glad we caught that, but there you go. $100 in 3 minutes, and you see it skyrocketing. It's still pushing that way. So we made a great call on the trade. Once again, I just want to give you guys a real expectation, a real result, a real view. Once again, we do a 3-day free trial with our academy to actually get you guys access to these tools, to these instructions, to the whole experience. You know, we want you guys to try it out free so you can see what this is really about, and get in and join the team and start making money with us. So we have compounding sessions where we literally compound accounts by 5% daily. I have several accounts. This is just one of many of my accounts. This is a new broker that I'm using, Quotex. Like I said, I just saw some good reviews about it. I wanted to see how good it was, how accurate it was. I like it so far. Pocket options is my bread and butter, so you're gonna see my other videos with pocket options. But I just want to try a new broker out, put some money in here. I'm probably gonna withdraw this money soon once I get to $1,000. And I might just do $100 to $1,000 challenge. I don't know, but you know, I'm not gonna talk your ear off. All the links will be below. I'm glad you guys hopped on here. 1 for 1. Got a quick win, $100. I can make another trade or two, maybe make $200 to $300 for the night and just be done. I want to let you traders know the number one thing that you can do to continue to win in the market is actually stop. Just stop trading. Once you get your percentage or once you get your wins, just stop. Because sometimes the average person might want to make 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 trades and then start losing and then start revenge trading and then throw their whole trading day off. So I got my $100. I might make another trade. I got to get up early into work and get to the gym in the morning. So I'm not going to be trading all night. So there you go. A real trading account, real experience. Get your free broker account down below. Get your trading view account down below and get access to your 3-day free trial down below. All the resources will be attached to the video. So I appreciate you guys. New broker alert, new money alert, new team alert. We building, we growing, and I'm looking to grow with you guys. So on that note, I appreciate you guys checking in, and you guys have a good night.